Yeah, g'day guys. I'm just going to quickly go through the results that I've gotten and to show you the proof behind the results that I've gotten with the breakout code 2.0. Now, as you can see here, I've done over $352,560 just in 2020 alone. This doesn't include any of the recent earnings in 2021. Now, as you can see, it's also on top of that, there's an additional $9,500 in recurring payments. So it's been a pretty solid year. Now, as you can see here, I've done promotions in excess of nearly over 2,000 four-figure promotions for other affiliate offers. Now, I'm just going to quickly show you today's results. I've even been able to break over $1,000 just today alone. So as you can see here, I've done over $1,391 here, and I've been able to keep it pretty consistently all week as well, generating over 13,000. Now, last 7 days has been pretty good. Last week was a big bumper week, and it was really a good week for me. So on top of that, I'm just going to show you some of the proof that I have been pulling down money to my PayPal account. I've totally withdrawn from Warrior Plus is 400,000, just over and some change. And at the moment, I've got pending earnings of 9,500 and 3,500. Here's the current balance available for withdrawal. Now, I'm just going to jump over to the view history part here and just show you that my actual withdrawals going straight to PayPal. So just yesterday, I did a withdrawal of just under $8,000 on.
All right, thank you, James. Now, guys, I think you can see from James's live proof just there that he is making some incredible numbers. Yeah, I mean, that's life-changing income. And guys, I want to drive home a few very important points about that factor, right? James has done that, like I mentioned already, in a pandemic year where it's quite possibly the worst ever year for business. He could have done this. He still made over $360,000. Crazy, right? He's also done this whilst he had a full-time job, okay? He's hence quit his full-time job, which was his dream. Good on him. Great work, James, for hitting that goal. Good on him for that. That was his dream, but he started the majority of this, guys, while he had his 9 to 5. He also has a young family. He messaged me the other day at 3:20 in the morning his time. I said, mate, what are you doing? He said, oh, I'm just up checking stats, rocking my little fella back to sleep. I'm like, mate, that's crazy, right? So 9 to 5. Young family, everything he's got going on, he's still been able to produce $350,000 from scratch, from nothing, okay? This guy is literally the epitome of time poor. So look, if you find yourself struggling with time as well, you've got no excuse. James has shown you exactly inside of the course, step by step, do this, do this, do this. Here's why we do this, all in video case study format, okay? He's been able to achieve it from scratch. And here's the kicker too. No one taught James how to do this. He had to figure this out himself. And that's probably why he's been so successful, okay? And he come to me afterwards, we were doing a bit of chatting beforehand, and he said he really wanted to show people this because the changes it's made in his life is what he wants other people to achieve as well, okay? Look, we all dream about it. All of us have done watching the videos like we're doing right now, looking at the stats and doing the dream and saying, God, I wish that was me. James was no different, okay? You're no different. I was no different, okay? But when you start living it, and really start seeing how truthfully easy it is once you have a simple step-by-step system like this with a breakout code, guys, it's so easy because it's so replicable by a big number, right? So the reason James makes so much money is because it's like the internet is like having a shop open 24/7 to the entire world, okay? There's never a dull moment of the day because when those guys are asleep, those guys are awake, okay? There's always someone awake around the world buying your stuff. There's always sales happening all day, every day, guys. And this is working for us right now. Hopefully you saw James showed you, it's not just 2020. It's not a fluke. He's still doing four-figure promotions every single day. When we say that's what's working for us, that's exactly what I mean, guys. I'll show you right now. I'm not even promoting anything actively today because obviously we're launching, okay? And let me get this right for you. Here's some of the types and numbers that we're seeing, okay? Affiliate sale after affiliate sale. You can't quite see it there, but $7, okay? $11, $23, $36, $18. Like, it happens all day long, guys. It honestly and truthfully never stops because it's a simple system that firstly bloody works, and secondly is extremely simple and scalable. And that's all a system needs to be, okay? It doesn't have to be crazy complicated or have a million different steps for you to jump through, okay? It just needs to be a simple system that works, and then combined with the power of the internet and the massive scale of people that are on the internet, has you making sales like that all day, every day, okay, guys? This is as real as it gets. I know a lot of people throw a lot of numbers around, okay, this day and age. Hopefully you can see with James and myself, we're all about being open, transparent, and showing you exactly what works right here, right now, so that you too can see the success, okay? We want you to succeed because at the end of the day, that's going to help us obviously make more money because we get a great reputation for just teaching methods that plain and simply work around the clock, all right? So guys, look, the breakout code was built by James out of a hate-free situation and not having enough money to, make ends meet, okay? He was extremely time poor. He had no time, but he could still do it. Look, if you've got an easy 30 minutes per day that you can honestly put into this, then guys, this is for you. The breakout code was built for people that are really frustrated, like I was, like James was, okay, about not making enough money, right? But also needing a simple system. We know what it's like out there, okay? We know how many people struggle for so long not being able to see success, okay? 2020's gone. It's a new year, now it's time to basically hit the ground running. We want to show you exactly what we do that's non-stop moving, day in, day out, hitting 4-figure days every single day of the week. So guys, look, obviously we're talking about some pretty big numbers here, okay? And a lot of people are still going to be a little bit skeptical, and as you should be. Look, we're strangers on the internet trying to sell you something. You should be a little bit skeptical, but that's why we put our 30-day money back guarantee in this product for you as well, okay? So look, if you dive in, give it an honest 30 minutes a day, give it a good honest try, and you can't make it work, we literally do not want your money, okay? As you can see, we make enough money. This is about helping people. So if for whatever reason you're unhappy and you can't make it work, then by all means hit us up. We'll promptly refund your money, because at the end of the day, it's about getting you more success, not us more success, okay? So guys, as you can see, the breakout code is a very, very simple affiliate marketing system, okay? Affiliate marketing is the easiest way to get into business. It's the fastest way to get started. Combined with James's the breakout code, you can see the numbers that he's making. What would 350,000 US dollars do for you? For me, that's more like probably 450, closer to 500,000 in Aussie dollars, okay? That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money in a year, okay? I know it's changed James's life. It changed my life. Now it's your turn, guys. It's your turn to change your life, okay? It's not a pipe dream. These numbers are real. You can achieve it. All you need to do is jump in, guys. Follow along with a simple step-by-step system. Watch the videos, then go and do the work that we show you. Literally over the shoulder, James shows you exactly what to do. Then guys, it's a matter of just counting your cash basically after that. It really is that simple. So guys, that's about all I have to say. I know I rambled a little bit. I'm really excited. I want you to get this in your hands. James really wants to show you what he's doing here, because it's scalable and it's a big enough business that every single person can do it and have success with it. And there's going to be no, competition or anything like that, because it's just such a large business, all right? We want to show you how to succeed in 2021 and beyond, and really start hitting the income goals that you desire, okay? So guys, on behalf of James and myself, I want to say a massive, massive thank you for watching, and we're very excited to see you on the inside and show you exactly what's possible with the breakout code. Cheers.